Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EnglishLEE, the channel where learning English is easy, fun, and yes, a little bit magical. I'm Lena.
Hello, Lena, and hello, everyone listening. It's great to be here again. How are you today, Lena?
I'm feeling amazing, Mike. Maybe it's the sunshine, maybe it's the coffee, or maybe it's today's topic.
Yes. Today's topic is big, important, useful, and honestly, everyone needs it.
Absolutely. But before we jump in, everyone, please make sure you subscribe to EnglishLEE. Hit that like button and share this podcast with your friends.
Exactly. Your support really helps us grow, and it helps more people learn English.
All right, Mike, are you ready?
I am super ready. So, what are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about how to talk about yourself in English. Easy introductions for beginners.
A classic, a question everyone hears. Tell me about yourself.
At school, at work, at a new club, in a new class, at a party.
Or when someone meets you and says, "Hi, who are you?" You don't want to panic and say, I forget.
Exactly. So today, we're going to make introductions simple, clear, and fun.
All right, Lena, let's begin. Tell me about yourself. What is your name?
My name is Lena. Lena.
Nice to meet you, Lena.
Nice to meet you too, Mike.
And my name is Mike. M-I-K-E.
Perfect. Names are the easiest place to start. You can say, my name is Lena, or I'm Lena.
Short, simple, friendly.
And powerful, because that's the first part of your identity.
Okay, Lena. Next question. Where are you from?
I am from Germany.
Very cool. And I am from Canada.
Wow, Canada! Cold winters.
And beautiful summers. So, when you talk about yourself, you can say, I am from Morocco. I am from Brazil. I am from Japan.
Or you can say, I come from Italy.
Same meaning, just a different style. Now, where do you live, Lena?
I live in Berlin. It's big, busy, and full of life.
Nice. I live in Toronto, a very multicultural city.
So listeners, you can say, I live in, followed by your city or country.
You can add, I live in a big city, or I live in a small town.
It gives more information and more personality.
Now, something people sometimes share and sometimes don't. Age.
Yes, don't worry, you don't have to say it, but if you want to, you can.
So, Lena, how old are you?
I am 26 years old.
And I am 30 years old.
If you prefer, you can simply say, I am in my 20s. Or, I am a teenager.
Now, the big one. What do you do, Lena?
I am an English teacher here on EnglishLEE.
And a very good one.
Thank you. What about you, Mike?
I am a graphic designer. I make visuals, logos, and digital art.
That's awesome.
Thank you, thank you. So, listeners, you can say, I am a student. I am a doctor. I work as an engineer.
You can also say, I study English. I study business. Let's talk about family. Mike, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. His name is Adam. He's older than me.
Nice. I have a sister. Her name is Sophie. She's younger than me.
So, you can say, I have one brother. I have two sisters. I am an only child, meaning you have no brothers or sisters.
Now, the fun part, pets. Mike, do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog named Buddy. He is brown, small, and very friendly.
Oh, that sounds adorable. I have a cat named Mimi. She is black and white. She loves sleeping.
Of course, classic cat.
So listeners, you can say, I have a dog. I have a cat. I don't have any pets.
Lena, what is your favorite food?
I love pasta. Oh my goodness, I could eat it every day.
I am a pizza person. Pizza forever.
I knew it. You look like someone who loves pizza.
Thank you, I think.
So listeners, my favorite food is
Favorite color?
green because it's calm and natural.
Blue. Always blue.
What about music? What's your favorite type?
I like rock. Old school rock.
Nice. I like pop music and acoustic songs. Very relaxing.
Now let's talk about hobbies. What do you do for fun, Lena?
I love painting, reading books, and going on long walks. Very calm hobbies.
I like playing soccer with my friends, listening to music, and watching movies.
What kind of movies?
Comedies. I love laughing.
Same. Laughing is the best medicine.
It's also okay to talk about what you don't like.
True. Okay, Mike. Name one food you don't like.
I don't like mushrooms.
Mushrooms? Delicious.
No, Lena, they are suspicious. They grow in the dark.
Okay. I don't like very spicy food. It's too much for me.
Same here. My mouth becomes a volcano.
So now let's create a full introduction.
I'll go first. Hello, my name is Mike. I'm from Canada and I live in Toronto. I'm 30 years old and I work as a graphic designer. I have one brother and a small dog named Buddy. My favorite food is pizza, my favorite color is blue, and I love rock music. My hobbies are playing soccer and watching movies.
Perfect. Now it's my turn. Hi, I'm Lena. I am from Germany and I live in Berlin. I am 26 years old and I am an English teacher. I have one sister and a sleepy cat named Mimi. My favorite food is pasta, my favorite color is green, and I like pop music. I enjoy painting, reading books, and taking long walks.
Beautiful introductions. Clear, friendly, and easy to understand.
And you, listeners, can create your own introduction just like this.
Tips for better introductions. Here are some tips.
Tip 1. Keep it simple. Don't try to say too much at the beginning.
Tip 2. Smile. Even if it's a podcast introduction, smiling changes your voice.
Tip 3. Practice out loud. Speaking helps you remember vocabulary.
Tip 4. Choose what fits the situation. In a class, mention your studying. In a job interview, mention your skills. At a party, mention hobbies.
Exactly. You don't need the whole list every time. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. My name is. I am from. I live in. I am years old. I am a student, teacher, worker. My hobby is. My favorite food is. I like.
Great job practicing. Wow. I think that was a great conversation.
We covered everything. Name, place, age, job, family, pets, favorites, hobbies, likes, dislikes, full self-introduction.
If you learned something today, please support us by subscribing to EnglishLEE.
Yes, and give this episode a big thumbs up. It helps more learners find us.
And now, our question of the day.
Write in the comments. Tell us about yourself in 1 or 2 sentences. You can say, my name is, I am from, my favorite hobby is.
We are excited to read your introductions.
Thank you all for listening. Stay safe, keep practicing, and keep smiling.
We will be back soon with another fun episode on English LEE.
Goodbye for now.